The learning journey is, we do it twice a year actually. This is just one of them, and I think this is more beneficial to the students because we take them on various trips here in a big city. The opportunity here for them to go behind some of the larger entertainment places like Soldier Field, for instance, and also some of the hotels. We've gone in, I think it's the Union Club. We go into a lot of the larger hotels where they have 400, 500, 600 bedrooms. I think that's very beneficial for these kids to see the backside of the business as well as the front desk.
The Learning Journey is an opportunity for hotel restaurant management and event and tourism students to actually get to see what it's like to travel to either a destination that is for convention services or leisure management, from how many exhibitors there are to the actual floor design layout. And the good news is that those students get to have a little bit of fun. They get to sample and actually see what it takes to put together a business. Once we arrive, we generally take a tour of the city just to see what all is in Chicago, because there are many destinations that students might want to visit.
It gives them more information, to be honest, and it gives them a really good start, I think, and many diverse types of opportunities that we have.
This journey benefits students because they're going to get the opportunity to see the many vendors that are available when they decide to take a venture and get out on their own.
It benefits them because they become very aware of what the industry is about, what they're moving into, and generally they get very excited about that. So the more excitement you can give them, the better it is for them later on in life because they're really looking forward to getting into the industry.